Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Deepfake AI token. Ticker symbol is Fake AI. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange starting tomorrow, March 1st. We're going to go over the information on the Deepfake AI token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the Fake AI token, Deepfake AI, is a program designed to allow users to create deepfakes with just a few clicks. Utilizing the token Fake AI to turn a useful and entertaining tool into the backbone of a token built to increase in value. Now this token here is on the Ethereum blockchain. They already have 2,582 holders, so they're doing very well here. 18 decimal places on this token. Token price is around 1 penny. According to their Etherscan, it's actually up 20% right now. Max total supply, 1 billion tokens. Fully diluted market cap is $7.45 million. And circulating supply market cap is $7.14 million. They have a Telegram you could follow at Fake AI that has 5,243 subscribers. This token, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, March 1st at 14 hours UTC time. This token will be listed on MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Fake AI, and then simply just buy the token. So deepfake technology has gained international attention in the recent years as AI tools have become more powerful and more accessible, threatening to forever change the world of digital media in the same way that the advent of cryptocurrencies forever changed the world of finance and investment. While cryptocurrencies is now available to individuals with very low barriers of entry, the inherent computational burden of creating a deepfake keeps it out of the hands of those who don't have powerful computers or server farms. The solution of cryptocurrencies' access issues was to create the wide network of main currencies that we see today, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc., and make accessible the advantages of decentralized forms of currency. The solution to deepfakes becoming more accessible is a service capable of leveraging the power of blockchain technology to simultaneously allow fast cloud-based access to deepfake technology and create a sustainable cryptocurrency behind it that will support the project, attract investors, and turn profits. Deepfake AI is that service. The initial version of their white paper, which is a 5-page long white paper that you could find on their webpage. Their webpage is fakeai.io. If you want to find their white paper, go to fakeai.io/whitepaper.pdf. So the white paper will serve to illustrate the purpose of Deepfake AI, present the investment opportunity of the Fake AI token, and give an overview of how the service works alongside the currency. So Deepfake AI is a program designed to allow users to create deepfakes with just a few clicks utilizing the token Fake AI to turn a useful and entertaining tool into the backbone of the token built to increase in value. The deepfake service is available through web app as well as through Telegram and through the deepfake AI bot. Premium users can add deepfake capabilities to any Telegram group. Furthermore, there is a web API available through which deepfake AI can be added to a website for its users to enjoy. All payments to use deepfake AI are done through fake AI token funneling traffic to the currency by design. Due to the carefully crafted smart contract, each deepfake AI payment through fake AI burns tokens, naturally increasing the value of the token as the service is used and its reach grows. There is also a tax on buys and sells of the currency itself that allows the currency to grow beyond a simple payment mechanism for deepfake AI and become a market force of its own while still providing longevity to the deepfake AI service. Through this approach, deepfake AI has the potential to become an extremely lucrative investment and a new force in the industries of deepfakes and cryptocurrencies alike. So deepfake AI is the deepfake service at the center of the project. It uses a deep learning training algorithm to analyze a specific voice that is fed into the service by the development team. Through training and tweaking, the voice is improved over time and curated into a character that can be used on the site. This character can then be fed lines to create audio of the character in question, saying whatever input has been given. This audio can then be paired with a video using a lip syncing process to create an AI-generated video on a selected character saying whatever the user wishes. So if you want to learn exactly how it works, all the type of stuff like that, you can check out their full white paper. So deepfake AI can be used in a number of ways. The most basic is to access it via the DApp page. Through the DApp page, the user can choose a character, give some input text, and receive the final result, all through the web portal. Minutes are purchased prior to accessing these services and explained on their white paper in depth. Another way to use the service is to add the deepfake AI bot to the Telegram server for all users to access. This allows users to give, in a given group, to use deepfake AI as they please as a fun way to entertain each other, either for free or the owner of the group can monetize it in any fashion. So all sorts of use cases for this platform and the token. And you can read more about this token here. Like I said, it's an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain, and it's going to be listed tomorrow on MEXC Global. So if you don't have an MEXC Global account, check out all the referral codes down there. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.